Okay, so this is the project that I have made for the Hackcelerate Hackathon organized by Major League Hacking. This is a very simple project. It is a CLI or a command line interface, and the way I arrived to this idea was basically I thought about the word hack, and the first thing that came to my mind was terminal, right? Because we have always seen in movies or in web series and TV shows that there is this guy sitting in front of his computer and inserting some random commands into the terminal and trying to hack into some database or some devices or stuff like that. So a very simple idea came to my mind that I will design a CLI which will provide you with some commands, and if you hit those commands you will retrieve some information, right? And basically, let's pretend like we are hacking into a database and fetching some information, wherein we are not actually doing that. We are just using some APIs to fetch information or fetch data, right? So the command that is there is that you have to use this keyword Hackcelerate, right, which is also the name of the hackathon, right? So if I do Hackcelerate, then it will show me a small kind of an error or a warning message that you have to give a command. And then it will also show me that you can use Hackcelerate -- or -- help to see the available commands. And as you can see here, there are all the available commands. Fetch news and fetch joke are the two available commands right now. So I'll go Hackcelerate and I'll go fetch news. Okay, and okay, so something went wrong. So I'll basically type Hackcelerate fetch news, and okay, now this works. There was probably some error in the error while hitting the API, but anyways, once you hit this Hackcelerate fetch news command, what it is going to do is basically it is going to tell you a random joke. So sorry, it is going to show you a random news every time you hit this Hackcelerate fetch news command. And to do this, I'm using a news API, and it is going to show you a random news article related to finance every time you hit this command. Okay, and another command that I have got for you is joke. Okay, fetch joke. So basically, if you do this, it's going to be a stand-up comic for you. And as you can see, there is a joke on the screen, and there are these fancy statements which says like fetching data from global database or fetching data from global database, something like that. It just probably gives you a hacker-like feel. And as you can see, there is a joke over here. I hope the joke is good. It's not my fault if the joke is not good, because this is also using an API called dad jokes. And yeah, I used JavaScript to make this, Node.js and JavaScript, and it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot of new things. I learned about the chalk package provided by NPM, and because of that particular package, all these colors are there in my terminal. It looks good. I had a lot of fun learning about all of these things and how I can create a CLI with JavaScript and Node.js. I definitely want to add more and more commands and use more and more APIs like flight data API, recipes API, or something like that. But due to lack of time, I have to stop here. But I'll probably continue working on this project in the future and probably add some more commands to it. But for now, this is my submission for the Hackcelerate Hackathon 2023. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it.